The June workshop is coming, and this month we're going to talk about de-stressed lace as we knit this interesting, almost reversible stitch pattern. See, this is the right side of the pattern and this is its wrong side. They both look nice even though they do not look the same. We'll see how we can work this pattern without following the pattern instructions. We'll talk about a way to make this texture even more distressed, a way to modify this pattern, a way to work it in the round, and ways to add it to our project. The stitch may seem challenging, but in fact it is unbelievably easy. Even new knitters will be able to knit it without any issues. All thanks to a super simple trick that turns a humble knit to purl to ribbing into this amazing texture. The workshop takes place live on Zoom on Saturday, June the 7th at noon Eastern Time, and it is free for all members of the 10 Rows a Day Club. If you're a member, the Zoom link and the quick reference card are waiting for you in this week's newsletter. If you are not a member yet, go to 10rowsday.com/join-club. Sign up and I'll send you both the Zoom link and the link to the card right away. Can't join us live on Saturday? No problem. The workshop will be recorded and all club members can watch the recording anytime in the live workshops and classes section of the club resources. And you already know what to do if you're not a club member yet, right? I hope to see you in the workshop.